Minista wa githomo George Magoha ni eranĩire kũgacĩrithio kwa ũgitĩri hĩndĩ ya igeranio cia kĩbũrũri kiumia gĩkĩ tũraingĩra na kuga mĩhang'o yothe ya gũtwarwo kwa indo cia igeranio icio mathukuru-inĩ nĩ mĩarĩre. Oho Magoha nĩ oigĩte igeranio nĩ ngitĩre na gũtirĩ na ndariri kana ũhotekeku wa ũici. Magoha akĩeranĩra atĩ ũguo nao macibũ kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Nyĩrĩ nĩ maiguithanĩirie kũnyita itemi harĩ kũgacĩrithia ũgitĩri.
First of all, one, the examination has not leaked. Two, we are fully in control. We are going to use over 200,000 teachers and over 45,000 security agents. The exams are already in the container. And even though the cartels are very active, especially in Telegram, they are getting nothing. And I've told my children that you should not be hoodwinked, because the exams will be open when they are open. The way the brain works, it is better that you respect your brain and allow it to remember what you can remember. I want to encourage everybody and also to encourage the NEC field officers to ensure that exams are in containers well before 7 o'clock, when there is light, unless there are issues. And when there are issues, we have helicopters stationed in various places, and especially in areas where there are challenges of security, we have helicopters on standby that will ensure that exams are delivered from there to the center and back to the country.
Chiefs, nataka muhakikishe ile amri tumepewa jana na waziri wa elimu, muhakikishe imefuatwa kikamilifu. Watoto wetu wawe na nafasi ya kufanya mtihani bila kusumbuliwa na mtu wowote.